Alright, today's video we're going to talk about 10 things you can do when you get bored during this quarantine time. First thing is clean your room. Number 2, use a telephoto lens to stalk on your neighbors. Alright, what is my neighbors doing? What is he doing? Number 3, fly a drone. Number 4, take your electric skate, whatever the vehicle you have, go for a joyride. How this actually looks. Audio probably gonna sound really crappy right now. Number 5, use your camera and record whatever you do at home during this quarantine time, and maybe even consider starting a YouTube channel. What's up everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you guys a room tour around my home. Number 6, do your homework, or do your online class I should say. Number 7, open that box maybe you never opened before during the past 10 years and staying in the corner of your garage. What is even in here? Oh my god. Is this my lost hard drive? Number 8, eat some good food. Number 9, do some shopping on Amazon and you'll realize it's not gonna be arrived until next month. Okay, when is my order going to be arrived? Wait, what? May 6th? Number 10. There is actually no number 10. I can't think about anything to do anymore. Maybe number 10, watch my video and make sure you subscribe and leave a comment and a like, and you can keep watching all my video. I'll keep uploading through this quarantine time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.